Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make a group chat on Messages Samsung. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to create a group chat, then there's a video for you. So for the end of this, if you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make a group chat on Messages Samsung, you want to make sure you use Google Message, which is the fastest and easiest approach. So to do this, just come here, search for Messages. Now, once you open the Google Messages like this, click on this message icon. Then you see create group. Go ahead and click on that. Then select all the group members. You see that? After that, click next. Then give this a name. I'm just going to say group members. After that, go ahead and click on done. Then if you hit the back button, go back to the message, then you should see your group members. Then click on it. Once you selected, you can now go ahead, send a message to all the group members. So if you click on the member name, you should see all your group members. You can still add more people to the group. You can rename the group name. So delete whatever you have here, type in the group name, click on save, and then you are good. So that is basically how to easily make a group chat on Message Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.